Hello everyone! Welcome to today's video where we will be discussing the question, how much cake batter do you put in a pan? This is an important question to answer if you're looking to make a delicious cake. The amount of cake batter you put in a pan can make or break your cake. Too much batter and your cake will overflow and be a mess. Too little and your cake won't rise properly. So let's get started. The first thing to consider when deciding how much cake batter to put in a pan is the size of the pan. Generally, you want to fill the pan about 2/3 full with batter. This will give your cake enough room to rise without overflowing. If you're using a 9-inch round cake pan, you'll need about 3 cups of cake batter. For an 8-inch round cake pan, you'll need about 2.5 cups of cake batter. For a 9x13-inch cake pan, you'll need about 4.5 cups of cake batter. It's also important to consider the type of cake you're making. If you're making a dense cake like a pound cake, you'll need less batter than if you're making a light and fluffy cake like a sponge cake. For a dense cake, you'll want to fill the pan about halfway full with batter. For a light and fluffy cake, you'll want to fill the pan about 2/3 full with batter. Finally, it's important to consider the recipe you're using. Different recipes will call for different amounts of cake batter. Be sure to read the recipe carefully and follow the instructions for the amount of cake batter to use. Now that you know how much cake batter to put in a pan, it's time to get baking. We hope this video has been helpful and that you have a delicious cake in the end. Thanks for watching and happy baking! Also, please remember to like and subscribe if you find this helpful.